After launching two premium and expensive wireless earphones, OnePlus has finally announced a much affordable pair of Bluetooth earphones in India called the OnePlus Bullets Wireless Z. The OnePlus Bullets Wireless Z is priced at Rs 1999 and is available on Flipkart, Amazon and OnePlus.in. You can find the links for the same in the description below. We ordered our unit from OnePlus.in, but now it's available across all the platforms. Before we unbox, let's take a quick look at the key features of the earphones. The OnePlus Bullets Wireless Z comes with warp charge, which gives 10 hours of listening time with just 10 minutes of charge. That's fast. It charges via Type-C port. OnePlus claims it can last up to 20 hours on a single charge. Let's unbox and take a quick look at the latest OnePlus Bullets Wireless Z earphones. In the box, we will first get the Bullets Wireless Z itself. Let's keep that aside for a moment and see what all we get inside the box. We get the usual user guide, safety information and warranty policy. Also, you get a special Red Cable Club card with a special message on it. On the other side, we get a short USB Type-C cable and two additional ear tips. The OnePlus Bullets Wireless Z harnesses Bluetooth 5.0 and the pairing process is quite easy and simple. Now let's take the earphones for a ride. The build quality is good and we have no complaints. There are 3 buttons just like the previous generation of earphones. Long pressing the center button will give access to Google Assistant, and the other 2 buttons can be used for controlling the media and more. We will test the earphones for the next few days and get back with a full review. Let us know if you have any queries in the comment section below. Hit the subscribe button and make sure you check out our blog MrAndroid.in for the latest news from the world of Android and technology. Make sure to follow us on all social media platforms. Thanks for watching.